Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we are going to discuss new flying cars and air taxis, best personal aircraft. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Number 10. Elroy. Elroy is a flying car that is slightly larger than a compact car, but unexpectedly quiet and can fit into most garage spaces. With its high-performance electric motors, this electric-powered vertical takeoff and landing vehicle can carry 2 passengers and travel at speeds up to 44 miles per hour or 70 km/h, with a flight time of 20 to 25 minutes. Number 9. City Airbus. City Airbus is a fully electric 4,850 pounds or 2.2-ton air taxi manufactured by Airbus. The City Airbus is autonomously piloted, eVTOL, and has a cruising speed of roughly 75 miles per hour or 120 km/h, up to 15 minutes of flight time. Powered by 440 kilowatt batteries, its 4 sets of counter-rotating ducted propellers can each provide 881 pounds or 400 kilograms of thrust for a payload of up to 551 pounds or 250 kilograms. The City Airbus is the successor of Vahana, the company's first air taxi model. Number 8. Heaviside. Heaviside is a high-performance electric VTOL vehicle by Kitty Hawk. Kitty Hawk claims the craft's electric propulsion system, tiny proportions, and aerodynamic shape make it roughly 100 times quieter than a regular helicopter, and it can cover 55 miles or 88 kilometers distance in 15 minutes while using less than half the energy of a car. Number 7. Boeing PAV. Boeing PAV is a new generation eVTOL passenger aircraft or air taxi designed and developed by Boeing for safe on-demand urban air transportation. Not much is provided about speed and payload weight, but the company says it's designed for urban commutes with typical ranges up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers. Number 6. Volocopter 2X. The Volocopter 2X's design is ambitious, and it looks really cool. Developed in Germany, it features 18 battery-powered rotors controlled via a single joystick, and we'd say that the whole thing isn't very practical, but the firm made a full-size test model and ran it across the stage at CES 2018. Thanks to a little sponsorship by Intel, the 2X can carry 2 passengers. It has a flight time of 30 minutes and a range of 17 miles between charge centers. Number 5. Lyft Hexa. Hexa is an all-electric single-passenger air taxi aimed primarily at tourism and short-distance air travel. With a total empty weight of 432 pounds, Hexa can carry a 250-pound passenger for up to 15 minutes of flight time. Lyft Aircraft is one of the 15 companies which are members of Agility Prime, the United States Air Force initiative to accelerate the commercial market for advanced air mobility vehicles. Number 4. Moog SureFly. The SureFly is a robust VTOL aimed at commercial operators and consumers looking for a durable, self-controlled flying experience. It was developed by Workhorse, but the company sold its aviation division to Moog for $4 million in November 2019 after multi-million-dollar losses. Digital Trends understands the SureFly development continues. The aircraft has 8 propellers and a top speed of 75 miles per hour. Unlike other VTOLs, it operates on gasoline, and the battery pack will provide an extra 10 minutes of flying time if necessary. Number 3. SkyDrive SD03. SkyDrive SD03 is a Toyota-backed flying car that is billed as the smallest electric VTOL, equipped with 8 rotors that help it fly safely even if there's a motor failure. This one-seat SkyDrive model can fly for only 5 to 10 minutes at a low speed of several miles per hour. The next version is expected to have a speed of up to 40 miles per hour or 60 km/h and an extended flight duration of 30 minutes. The company is currently waiting for approval for flights beyond the test field by the end of 2020, and it expects a 2-seat commercial vehicle by 2023. Number 2. Seraph. Seraph is a 12-rotor British electric flying taxi that can carry passengers and goods weighing up to 550 pounds or 250 kilograms at speeds up to 50 miles per hour or 80 km/h. The Seraph was built by the company to test new technologies and systems which will be used in the upcoming passenger model, the VAX1. Number 1. Opener Blackfly. Coming from Canadian firm Opener, the Blackfly is a highly distinctive VTOL that combines personal piloting with a wealth of automatic features, including auto landing and automated return home functions, thus enabling flight without the need for formal licensing, a popular trend as you may have noticed. Despite the design, Blackfly flies via a familiar method. 8 drone-like rotors are positioned across 2 wings. Taking off, however, is a bit more unique, as the VTOL is made to rock back and forth to literally pick up momentum to launch upward. Specs allow for a lengthy 40-mile range at 72 miles per hour, although regulations limit those numbers substantially for those who want to fly their own aerial vehicles. So guys, this is all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video. Do hit the like button down there. Comment down your views and do share with more of your friends. See ya, take care.